Hello students, welcome to Apna College Net YouTube channel. Hope you are all well. Bangalore, remaining as the Silicon Valley of India, the law schools which are situated in Bangalore has also reformed their teaching with major interventions, with modern transformation, major intervention of the technological field. As it is, as I told you, that there are numerous tech startups and unicorns and global capability centers, GCCs, are located in Bangalore. Let us today talk about the top 5 law colleges in Bangalore. I have chosen these law colleges, studied them in depth. I have studied on their location, the placements, the facilities they're offering, what are the courses, what is the special thing about that law colleges, and all that I'll discuss in today's video. So if you are a law aspirant and you are looking towards Bangalore as your destination for law career, for BLLB or BBLLB course after your class 12, then this video is a must watch for you. And if you want to see this kind of informative video, then you have to like and subscribe to Apna College Net YouTube channel. Press the bell icon for new video updates and alerts, and share this channel link with your friends.
Let us first start with National Law School of India University, NLSIU, Bangalore. The college is located in Nagara Bhavi, Bangalore. NLSIU was the first national law university established in India in 1986. NLSIU is ranked number 1 law college in India. NLSIU is offering 5 years integrated BA LLB honors program. This 5-year integrated undergraduate BA LLB honors degree program is NLSIU's flagship degree. Admission to BA LLB honors program at NLSIU Bangalore is purely on the basis of merit as assessed through the Common Law Admission Test (CLAT) administered by the consortium of NLUs. The second best law college in Bangalore is Alliance University, Bangalore. Alliance University is a private university established in Karnataka in 2010. Alliance University is recognized by the University Grants Commission UGC, New Delhi. Alliance University is ranked among top 20 law schools in India by NIRF rankings. Alliance School of Law is approved by the Bar Council of India. Alliance University is offering 5 years integrated Bachelor of Arts, Bachelor of Law honors, that is BA LLB honors course, and 5 years integrated Bachelor of Business Administration, Bachelor of Law honors, that is BBA LLB honors course. Specializations are offered in intellectual property rights law, business law, international law, constitutional law, criminal law. In the 6th semester, the law students at Alliance University may select any one specific area in law out of these 5 specializations. If you have completed your 10+2 from recognized board with a minimum of 50% marks in aggregate, you are eligible to apply for law programs at Alliance University. Appearing candidates are also eligible to apply. The third best law college in Bangalore is, of course, Christ deemed to be University. Christ deemed to be University was established as Christ College in 1969. UGC has conferred autonomy to Christ College in 2004 and identified it as an institution with potential for excellence in 2006. UGC has given Christ College the status of deemed to be university. In 1998, Christ deemed to be university has secured A+ grade by National Assessment and Accreditation Council (NAC). Christ deemed to be university is ranked among top 100 universities in India. Christ deemed to be university, the law courses are approved by Bar Council of India. Christ deemed to be university, the main central campus is located on Hosur Road in Bangalore. Christ deemed to be university is offering 5 years integrated Bachelor of Law BA LLB honors course, and this course is offered only at Christ deemed to be university Bangalore Central Campus. Students who have completed 10+2 in any stream with minimum of 45% marks from recognized board in India are eligible to apply. Appearing candidates can also apply for BA LLB course at Christ deemed to be university. Christ deemed to be university offers 5 years integrated Bachelor of Law BBA LLB honors course. This course is offered at Bangalore Central Campus. Students who have completed 10 plus 2 level in any stream, securing minimum 45% marks from any recognized board in India, are eligible to apply for this program at Christ deemed to be university. Appearing candidates can also apply for BBA LLB program at Christ deemed to be University, Bangalore. The next best college for law program in Bangalore is Ramaiah Institute of Legal Studies, Bangalore, which is at number 4 position. Ramaiah Institute of Legal Studies is established under MS Ramaiah Foundation. Under Dr. M.R. Pattaviram's initiative, Ramaiah Institute of Legal Studies started its journey. Ramaiah Institute of Legal Studies is located on MS Ramaiah Road in Bangalore. The law courses at Ramaiah Institute of Legal Studies, Bangalore are approved by Bar Council of India. Ramaiah Institute of Legal Studies, Bangalore is affiliated to Karnataka State Law University located in Hubli. Ramaiah Institute of Legal Studies is also recognized by Karnataka government. Ramaiah Institute of Legal Studies offers 5 years integrated Bachelor of Law BA LLB honors course and 5 years integrated Bachelor of Law BBA LLB honors course. Students who have completed 10 plus 2 level in any stream with minimum 45% marks from any recognized board in India are eligible to apply for law program at Ramaiah Institute of Legal Studies, Bangalore. Appearing candidates can also apply at Ramaiah Institute of Legal Studies law program, and applicants must qualify in CLAT or Ramaiah Institute of Legal Studies aptitude test. The next best law college in Bangalore is School of Legal Studies, CMR University, which is at number 5 position in this list. Established in 2003, School of Legal Studies, CMR University has been actively engaged in shaping young legal professionals. For 6 consecutive years, CMR School of Legal Studies has been ranked amongst the top law colleges in India. CMR University School of Legal Studies is located at Banaswadi in Bangalore. CMR University is recognized by University Grants Commission. CMR School of Legal Studies is approved by Bar Council of India. CMR University offers 5 years integrated Bachelor of Law BA LLB honors course and 5 years integrated Bachelor of Law BBA LLB honors course. Candidate who has completed 10 plus 2 from recognized board securing 45% marks is eligible to apply. Appearing candidates can also apply for law programs at CMR University. CMR University has state-of-the-art infrastructure centered on a well-equipped library. CMR University School of Legal Studies has a team of strong, highly qualified and experienced faculty.
So students, you have got to know about all the details about the top 5 law colleges in Bangalore. In case if you have any queries, you can call me on the phone number right now shown on the screen. You can also send your query by WhatsApp. You can put your query in the comment box. Follow us on our Facebook page, Apna College Net, and Instagram page, Apna College One. Visit our website, www.apnacollege.net, where you will get to see the list of top law colleges in Bangalore, in Delhi NCR, in Kolkata. See you soon with a new video only on Apna College Net YouTube channel. All the best.